Welcome back to the Concrete Corner, episode 4. Today we're going to do some poured in place coping in a ditch. A couple tools we're going to use. We have this Locum DIY pool coping trowel that we received. We used it in Memphis, it was great fun. So now we're going to see if we can use it in a ditch. This is also the General Sherman's pool coping scoop. If you're looking for something a little more DIY, try a coffee cup. Works perfect with some beer can coping. You could also use some conduit. Cut that down, have a nice handle so you can freeform something off the edge. We're going to be focusing on the coping trowel and the coping scoop. Let's see you in the ditch. Best dollies in town. Level playing field to lay our mortar mix on with a little lip, so we'll sit in with the ditch a little better.
Angular.
You want to get some rebar in there to angle to hold this back when doing slappies in, up in the elevation. I think I'm going to build a little dirt ramp to get the concrete up onto there. More.
Original tiles from the Belmont Plaza pool.
Elevation change.
What you will?
We got locum tools. We got a little roll-on happening. We're just trying to bring this down to nothing so you can just ride right on.
What we have here is a found parking block.
And we've pretty much run out of mix, so we're going to mix up to the curb. Make this whole spot super rad. My titanium hammer is just fine. 30. It's got a weird bow in it. Get rid of.
Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover 2 times. It's twice as good. It's kind of dry right now. It's going to prolong the life of this thing because it ain't going nowhere. Mark my words.